Minecraft dyes. Now, the first Minecraft dye is white dye. Now, you can find this by grinding up bone meal using a crafting table. You can get bone meal by killing skeletons. And this dye is very important because you can use it to dye stuff white. And the next dye is light grey dye. Now, this you can get from white flowers, and you can also get it by adding female black dye to white dye. Next we have grey dye, which again is similar to light grey dye. We have black dye, which you can get from killing squid. Next dye we have brown dye. Now brown dye you can get by grinding up cocoa beans. Next one we have red dye. Now red dye you can get by using red flowers. Then we have orange dye, which is the same except red. You can combine that with yellow dye. Lime dye, which is green-ish. We have green dye, which you can get from cactus, and cyan dye, which you can do by combining green dye with blue dye, and lime dye is also green dye and plus yellow dye. Light blue dye you can get by combining white with blue, and then blue dye you can get from blue flowers, and then purple dye. Now purple dye you can get from combining blue dye with red dye, and then magenta dye, same with pink dye, and then pink dye you can get by combining red dye with white dye. Over time. Now we can use these dyes to dye different materials like wool, concrete, and wall carpets and beds, etc. Can't use it to dye cotton though, or planks. Yeah, I think that's enough. Okay, bye.